Welcome back to the channel everyone, this is Kalinga Bisek and today I'm going to unbox Realme wireless buds, which I think is the best wireless bud under rupees 2000. So as you all know, this is my first unboxing video on my channel, so if I did any mistake, please do comment down below so that I can rectify it on my next video. So without any further delay, let's begin the unboxing. So this is the box package of Realme Buds Wireless, and on the box we can see it's written Real Base Unwired, and on the left side and on the right side we can get the Realme branding, and on the back side we get some of the specs of these earbuds. This earbuds comes with a magnetic control for fast pairing, and it also works as a power on and off, and this earbuds comes with the 11.2 mm bass boost driver for better bass. Realme claims that their earbuds works up to 12 hours in a single full charge, and these earbuds are also very flexible as they are made up of rubber. This earbuds comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 support for better signal, and these earbuds are also have IPX4 rating, which makes these buds sweat proof. And on this you can also see the price of this earbuds. It's written 2000 rupees, but on the Amazon it's available at rupees 1800 rupees. I will give the link in the description box below, and this is the color variant of yellow black, but it also available in two more colors, that's the orange and another one is green. So let me unbox this box. So first of all, these are the earbuds. Fast pair technology, and as you can see, whenever I separate earbuds come with the magnetic fast pair technology. As you can see, when I separate these earbuds, the LED blinks to blue color. That means it is now turned on. And when I make them closer, as you can see, the red color blinks. That means now it is turned off. These are some of the ear tips. So let me connect this earbuds to my phone and check the sound quality. Wow, the bass of these earbuds are amazing, punchy, because these earbuds are coming with 11.2 mm bass boost driver. The vocal and mid tones of these earbuds are crystal clear, and uh, as you can see, there are three physical buttons. One is for volume up, another one is volume down, and the middle R logo button is for playing and pausing the music. And Realme claims that a 10 minutes charging of these earbuds gives a playback time of 100 minutes, and these earbuds are tuned by a well-known music producer Alan Walker. So that was all about the unboxing of my Realme wireless buds. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share with your friends, and comment down below if you have any queries or you want to give any suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video, then you can get the notification. So that's all about. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.